Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Ferrari LaFerrari with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a good supply of cardboard, from thin sheets to thicker corrugated pieces. Also, have a sharp utility knife, strong adhesive, and a ruler ready. Don't forget detailed reference images of the LaFerrari. These are crucial for capturing its iconic shape and proportions accurately. Now, let's construct the foundational chassis. Start by cutting the main base from a robust piece of cardboard. Then, create internal support ribs and bulkheads, which will form the car's skeleton. Carefully assemble these pieces using strong adhesive, ensuring everything is square and stable. This initial structure is vital for the overall integrity and shape of your cardboard LaFerrari model. Next, it's time to add the iconic body panels and intricate details. Carefully cut and shape the cardboard to replicate the LaFerrari's sleek, aerodynamic curves. Attach these panels to your chassis, slowly bringing the car's form to life. Don't forget to craft smaller elements like the headlights, taillights, and side mirrors from thinner cardboard, paying close attention to their unique designs. Finally, let's move on to the finishing touches and painting. Apply a thin layer of wood filler or spackle to smooth out any imperfections and fill gaps. Once dry, sand the entire model thoroughly for a seamless finish. Then, apply a primer coat to prepare the surface for paint. Choose the iconic Ferrari red, and after painting, consider a clear coat for added shine and protection, bringing your masterpiece to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.